Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create GetResponse contact for a AWeber subscriber. So I am running an online retail business, and now what I want to do is I want to enhance my email marketing strategy. So here what I want to do is I want to automatically create a new contact in GetResponse whenever a new subscriber signs in my AWeber list. So here for doing this automatically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a connection between AWeber and GetResponse. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. And now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new subscriber in AWeber, then automatically by using those details, I will create a new contact in GetResponse. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create GetResponse contact for a AWeber subscriber. So as the owner of an online retail business, I can enhance my email marketing strategy by creating a GetResponse contact for every new subscriber who signs up through my AWeber list. So this will allow me to seamlessly integrate my subscriber information, ensuring I can send targeted campaigns and promotions tailored to their interests. So this streamlined process helps me to maintain a strong relationship with my customers while efficiently managing my marketing efforts. So here what I want to do is I want to simply connect AWeber and GetResponse in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new subscriber in my AWeber list, then automatically by using all the detail of that subscriber, I can create a new contact in GetResponse. So here I'm going to build this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software that will help me in building this connection without any coding and programming skills. So here I'm going to simply connect AWeber with GetResponse, and for that I need to use Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create GetResponse contact for a AWeber subscriber. And now what I need to do is I need to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window for our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here I need to first set up my trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to first select my trigger application. So here I need to search for my trigger application and I need to use AWeber as my trigger application. So here I am going to select AWeber. And now I'm going to give my trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new subscriber in a list will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect AWeber with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And here I need to click on connect with AWeber. So I'm going to do that. Now here I need to scroll down, and here I need to log into my account. So I have to give my login name and the password of my AWeber account, and I need to click on allow access. So I'm going to fill those details and I'm going to click here. And here I have successfully connected AWeber with Pabbly Connect. Now here I have these two tabs of account and the list ID. So here I only have one account which has this particular account ID, so that is already selected, and I also have one list in my AWeber account too. So that list is already selected too. Now here what I want to do is that I want to first create a new subscriber in my list in AWeber so that I can get the response of that subscriber here in Pabbly Connect. So here for getting the response, I'm going to take you to my AWeber account. Now here in AWeber for creating a new subscriber, I'm going to use a sign up form. So I have already created a sign up form by which I can create new subscriber in AWeber list. So I'm going to take you to my sign up form, and here this is my AWeber sign up form. And now by filling out this form with my subscriber detail, I can create a new subscriber in my AWeber list. So here I have to first give my first name, and here my first name is going to be Michael. My last name is going to be Karis. Email will be michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number of my subscriber, and I'm going to give the city, that will be Indore. Now here I have filled all the required detail of my subscriber, so I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted my form and I have subscribed in my AWeber list. Now to check whether I've created a new subscriber in AWeber or not, let me take you to AWeber. I'm going to go to subscribers. And here in subscribers, we can see I have just created this new subscriber that is named as Michael Karis. I have the email that is michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com, and I have the status of subscribed. Now I'm going to open this subscriber. And here this is my new subscriber that I've just created by filling out my sign up form, and in this I have the mobile number of my subscriber too. Now what I need to do is I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button, and now we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my subscriber that I've just created in AWeber, and in this I have the name of my subscriber that is Michael Karis. I have my list name that is customer list. Also here I have the email address that is michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com. I have the random phone number of my subscriber, and I have the city that is Indore, and I have my country that is India. So here we can see that I have successfully received this response here in Pabbly Connect, and I have received this response of my subscriber who has just filled my sign up form, and by filling out that sign up form I have created a new subscriber in my AWeber list. So here we can see that I have received this response, but if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry, because this is a polling based response, and within the next 10 minutes you're going to receive this response from AWeber. So in every 10 minutes we are going to receive the responses of the new subscriber that we are going to receive in our AWeber list, and for every new subscriber we are going to receive the responses in Pabbly Connect in 10 minutes. So these 10 minutes are the polling time of AWeber, and here I have received the response of my subscriber. Now that as I've created a new subscriber in my AWeber list and I have received all the detail of that subscriber, now what I want to do is I want to use all these detail of the subscriber, and by using these detail, I want to create a new contact in GetResponse. So for automatically creating a new contact in GetResponse, I need to set up my Actions tab, and here I need to search for my action application that is going to be GetResponse. And now I'm going to select GetResponse here. I have to give my action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and create contact is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect GetResponse with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and for connecting GetResponse with Pabbly Connect, I need to give an API key. So I'm going to find my API key by clicking on this hyperlink. So I'm going to click here, and it has taken me to this API section of GetResponse. Now here I need to generate a new API key, so I'm going to click on this generate API key button, and here I need to first give a name to my API key. So I'm going to name it as new contacts, and I'm going to click on generate, and here we can see I have successfully generated this API key. Now I'm going to copy this key, and I'm going to close this window. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here in this tab of API key. Now that I have added my API key, I'm going to click on save. And here I have connected GetResponse with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my campaign, and here I need to select the campaign where I want to create new contacts. So I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the campaigns that I have in my GetResponse account, and in this I'm going to use this Connect Pab campaign. So I'm going to select that, and now I have to fill all these details. And here I need to fill these details with the detail of my subscriber that I have received in my response of AWeber. And here I need to add all the detail of my subscriber to create a new contact in GetResponse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my response from my previous tab, and I'm going to map those details here in these tab. So here first I need to give the name of my subscriber or my contact. So I'm going to use mapping here. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I'm going to open this response of AWeber, and here I'm going to search for the name of my subscriber. So here this is the name of my subscriber, so I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to map the email address, so I need to click here. I will open this response of AWeber. And here this is the email address, so I'm going to map this. Now I have the option of IP address, day of cycles, tag ID, amount, but these are not the required details, so I'm not going to fill these details. I'm going to leave them blank, so I'm going to scroll down. And now I'm going to give the city. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of AWeber. And here this is the city of my subscribers, so I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to map the country. And also I'm going to give the phone number. Now here I have mapped the required detail and all the details that I have received through my response of AWeber, and I have left all these tabs blank that are not required details. But if you want to fill these details, you can do that too. I'm not going to fill these details, I'm going to just leave them blank, and I have mapped all these details here. Now that as I have mapped these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new response of a subscriber from AWeber in Pabbly Connect, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here will get replaced with the new subscriber detail in the real time. And every time I'm going to receive a new subscriber detail, then automatically I will create a new contact in GetResponse. Now that I have mapped all these details, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new contact in my GetResponse account by using all the detail of my subscriber that I have received through AWeber. So to check whether I've created a new contact or not, let me take you to GetResponse. Here I will go to Contacts. And here in Contacts, I'm going to open my campaign of Connect Pab. And in this, we can see I have just created this new contact that is named as Michael Karras. I have the email address of michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. Now I'm going to open this. And here this is my contact that I've just created with the name of Michael Karras. I have the email that is michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. And I have the random phone number of my contact. I have the country that is India. And in this, I have the city that is Indore. So here we can see that I have used all the detail of my subscribers that I have received through my list of AWeber, and as I have received the detail of my subscriber from AWeber, I have automatically used all those details to create a new contact in GetResponse. So here I have successfully created this automation between AWeber and GetResponse, and now whenever I'm going to receive a new response of a subscriber or whenever a new subscriber sign ups in my AWeber list, then automatically by using the detail of my subscriber, I can create a new contact in GetResponse. So here I have successfully created this automation just with the help of Pabbly Connect, and here I have created this automation so that I can improve my email marketing strategy. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have connected AWeber and GetResponse to automatically create GetResponse contact for AWeber subscriber. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was AWeber, and my trigger event was new subscriber in a list. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action was create contact. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.